Hi, I am Tom Owino. I work for Climate Care. I would like to tell you about a new partnership which is transforming the lives of people who live and work here in Ghana, and which is reducing deforestation and climate change by reducing carbon dioxide emissions.
In Ghana, 80% of the households depend on wood fuel for their energy needs in cooking and boiling water.
I'm Said. We used to work in this forest. We used to cut big woods for charcoal.
Over 80% of the charcoal production comes from unsustainable wood. This destroys an equivalent of 170,000 hectares of our forests and emits 54 million tons of carbon dioxide. It is not just an environmental issue, it affects the people's lives. WHO, World Health Organization, estimates that 16,600 people die in Ghana using traditional stove to cook as a result of indoor air pollution.
So how does this project help tackle this problem? Using such a simple, efficient cook stove. Nicholas, can you explain how this stove works?
The stove is manufactured using local material, and it is known to save 50% charcoal as compared to the traditional stove. Detailed assessment by Climate Care indicates that the stove saves 50% charcoal and helps to reduce carbon dioxide emission by 3 tons per year.
What way dear? Man turn no me ho kra. Papa, your friend Dr. Sharp. Sir? I want my warriors, sir.
Warriors, sir.
What do you see them? And so to say, I now need to porch and kitchen. What do you see with them? A Phoebe and one. We are what for ideas to find. Now, may they have Buma. Sisi anede anena bena kwala na nya biedi ama mitimi nya sika de sie mitimi de tua school fees mitimi de kam edwa amidie me de ka ho ama sisi ama me ho kra chere me kra.
And it is not just the families who use the cook stoves that benefit. The project manufactures the stoves locally and also trains the people who sell and distribute the stoves, who are mainly women. This helps to create employment and help them grow their businesses.
The business is very good because it attracts people to buy more products. Even when you look at it, it's very good. And it is heat resistant, so people like this more.
It is very clean to use in the house, and I'm very proud to sell it.
Oh, a boy, Krupot in the boy here for pa, you thought be dear Kitu be crack, to look at many to look at me.
Each year, Climate Care determines the greenhouse gas emission reductions actually delivered by the project. This is verified by an accredited third party before the emission reductions, also known as carbon credits, can be sold. They are bought by organizations who want to offset their own unavoidable emissions, and this provides ongoing finance to sustain the project.
Cooking shouldn't kill, cooking should heal. And we are confident that clean cooking products like the CookClean stove will contribute to this process.
This project relies on carbon finance from organizations that choose to offset their emissions from special projects such as this one. Here, I'm walking around a tree that is 350 years old and is the only surviving tree out of the original forest that was here, thanks to the efforts of our forefathers who saw the benefits of conservation then. We hope that with projects such as this one, we will be able to leave many more such trees for the benefit of our grandchildren.